Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix overheating and lagging issues in Lenovo K3 Note. So this video is in low quality and also the FPS is low because I am using a very low end laptop to record this video, and it has only a Core 2 Duo processor and just 4 gigs of RAM. So yeah, let's get this video started. So first you need to click on the link which says lag fix in my video description, and it will take you here. After you come to this page, you have to click the download button on the top right corner and it will start the download. After the downloading is finished, you can just close Chrome, and as you can see our downloaded file is over here. Now you need to copy this to your phone's SD card or internal storage. Both will work. I have already connected my phone. As you can see, if I go here, it's connected. I'm going to copy mine to my SD card. So I'm just going to drag and drop. And as you can see, it is copied. So now you have to eject your phone from your PC and you have to reboot into the recovery and you have to install it. Keep in mind that you will need a rooted phone and you will have to install TWRP recovery. If you don't know how to do that, I have a video dedicated to it and it will be linked in the description down below. So let's go to my phone. So as you can see, this is my phone, and first you need to switch off your mobile. So let's do that. Phone is completely turned off. You need to hold the volume up and down and the power button simultaneously for some 10 seconds, I guess. So let's do that. And once it shows the Lenovo logo, you have to release the buttons and just press on the power button once or twice or tap the screen so that the TWRP recovery will wake up. So now you need to touch install and then you have to select your SD card. I have copied mine to my SD card, so I'm choosing SD card. If you have copied yours to the internal storage, you need to touch internal storage. Now let's touch OK and scroll down. And as you can see, our lagfix.zip file is over here. So now you need to touch it. Oh, I chose the wrong file. Okay, so now let's select lagfix and then just swipe to flash. And after it's done, you have to touch reboot system and touch do not install, and then now the phone will reboot normally and you won't have any overheating or lagging issues. So if you find this video helpful, then please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.